Welcome back to another vlog. The time is around 2:30 p.m. and I'm riding to Chennai. So Chennai from here it's I guess around 340 kilometers. I hope I reach there in 5.5 hours, which Google Map shows. I'm taking the Vellore road, so I hope I reach safe and keep watching, guys. I'll meet you guys on the bike. Hey guys, I'm back on the road again and I'm on the way to Chennai, and I guess from here it will take around maybe 5.5 hours. Yeah, till Vellore it's the same route, and after that I can see some diversion. So I guess till Vellore I'll not put Google Maps. I'm not sure how's the audio quality because yesterday I got this Blue Armor C30 intercom. So yesterday evening I got it, so I couldn't vlog anything on it. I'll put a review very soon how it is karke. Now the time is currently 3 p.m. and I guess I'll reach there around 8 or 8:30. I guess so. I have to still feed Tequila, so I'm not sure how much time will it take to feed her. Let's see. It's kinda rushy, it's crowded, the traffic has come up. I'm not sure because it's not the peak hours too. It's 3 p.m. I don't know why there is so much of traffic. Hey guys, I'm back. I've just filled up Tequila. Unfortunately, I did not get the XP95. I just took the normal fuel. It's fine, but I feel like I get extra performance and mileage when I use XP95. So the time is around 3:07 p.m. and it's dull. I guess it's gonna drizzle a bit. Anyways, I've got all my rain gears, but I hope it doesn't rain. Let's see what happens. And Tequila is flying. I don't know, like you guys have observed in your bikes or not, but sometimes, most of the times, whenever you take the bike, sometimes it will give high performance. It will fly like anything. Sometimes it gives very low performance. I don't know why is that. Even in cars it's the same. I feel it's the same, and I've even asked my friends and they also say the same thing, and no one knows the reason why it is. If you know it, just comment down below so that like I can pass this information to everyone. It'll be great. You see this Kia, so it's Sonnet, I guess, and he's made it like a UFO only. I don't know, like it's looking so weird. We have reached the first stall, and I don't know how many tolls are there. Obviously for bikes it's free. So far so good. It's going on good. I just got a lot of traffic inside Bangalore, so it took me like 40-45 minutes to reach this expressway or national highway from my home. Usually it's just 15 minutes ride or drive, but it took me 45 minutes today. I don't know why is it. Too much of crowd, too much of traffic. I don't know what the hell they do just now. I don't know why people can't see side mirrors. The road is pretty awesome from Bangalore to Chennai, but yeah, there are a few diversions. I'm not sure why it is, but I guess they are still constructing the highway. Well, seriously very good. The highway is seriously awesome. If you have a sports bike, you could fly over here. But yeah, the other thing is that there are many intersections in between where pedestrians and other vehicles pass by, so it should be safe. Just look at the view, guys. It's so awesome, admirable. Currently, I am near to Vellore. From here to my friend's place, it's showing 117 kilometers and showing 2.5 hours. The road is pretty good, and I am doing decent speeds from inside 100 to 130 because the road is so awesome and it is open. You could see till far actually. It's pretty good, guys. And there are few diversions like this, so we have to be careful with it. This is, I guess this is the 4th or 5th diversion which I got today. I guess it's gonna rain over there. It's cloudy. The clouds are black. I don't know which industry is this. They have big boilers. Return CPF. I don't know why the hell are they coming in this side. Not in the right lane. See over there? And that road is open only. It's full black over there. And I badly want a chai. I still didn't give one stop also. I've ridden like so many kilometers. Let's see, like if I find a nice spot to have chai, then we'll stop, have chai and something to eat too. I'm hungry a bit. I've come this side and the road was closed actually. There's a railway crossing. I guess bikes are allowed, so I'm just waiting for the train to cross by. And here is your tequila. I don't know, like there are full of white spots around, even in my jacket and pant. I don't know from where did it come. Hey guys, I just took a short break. My first break, still from here, it's showing like 90 kilometers to my friend's place. And I came to this cafe, TFC cafe. I just saw it in way and I thought I'll stop by. And now I'll be leaving. It's damn hot, guys. It's so hot. I don't know why. Maybe I'm feeling so hot because as you people know, I'm from Ooty. Like 23 years I was there, so brought up in Ooty, so I'm used to cold climates. I can manage cold climates but not heat. And I heard that in Bangalore it is raining cats and dogs. So maybe on Friday when I leave, that is after 2 days, I'll leave soon from Chennai and reach Bangalore. And here too it's cloudy, so I'm not sure if it'll rain or no. So let's see, hope for the best.